Hey? It should be open range. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to have a fish and chip supper tonight, celebrate. Hey, it's good. I was only joking when I said we piss on your fish. We don't really do that in Grimsby. Yeah. Hey? They're cutting my gas and electric off.
What?
Hey?
Why?
Well, they're accusing me of stealing gas and electric. They reckon I've got a contract with Octopus Energy. I fucking haven't. But Octopus Energy are turning me gas and electric off.
Where do you live?
In this corner house. I wish I could get the Evening Telegraph down here. Yeah, there's about 10 or 12 vehicles and about just as many men. They've been here all day. So he gets busy around here. Why is it always the young ones that's in the door? I'll leave you to it. It looks like you know what you're doing. If you need any help, just give us a shout. I'd offer you a couple, but my leg is turned off now.